Hi everyone, welcome back to TravExplore Finland. If you're new here, my channel is all about exploring life, homes, culture, and everyday living in Finland in a simple and a realistic way. In today's video, I'm taking you on a detailed house tour of a semi-detached house, which in Finland is known as a Paritalo. These houses are extremely common here, especially for families who want more space than an apartment, but still enjoy well-planned and efficient living. So, let's start the tour from the main entrance. Most of the semi-detached houses in Finland come with both a front yard and a backyard. The front yard usually faces the street and is neatly maintained. The backyard is more private and often used for summer barbecues or gardening or kids' play area or for relaxing during long summer evenings. Having access to the outdoor space is one of the biggest advantages of living in a house in Finland. As soon as you enter a Finnish home, one thing becomes very obvious. There is always a dedicated area for outdoor clothing. This is not optional in Finland, it's a necessity. Because of the long winters, snow, rain and muddy season, the Finnish homes are designed so that you can remove your shoes, hang jackets and store winter gear immediately at the entrance. On the left side, you'll usually find built-in storage cupboards. These are used for shoes, winter jackets, sports equipment, or even cleaning supplies. Storage is very thoughtfully planned in Finnish homes. Not flashy, but extremely practical. This entrance area helps keep the rest of the house clean and dry, especially during winters. On the right side here, we have a bathroom, which is also very typical in Finnish houses. Notice that the switch is usually outside the rooms in Finland. Having a bathroom close to the entrance is especially useful, for example, after coming in from outside, after kids come back from playing in the snow, or even when the guests arrive. Many homes have at least one bathroom or toilet on the entrance level for the convenience. The design is usually simple, clean, and functional. Finnish interiors focus more on usability and durability rather than decoration. Now let's move into the living room. You'll notice that the Finnish living rooms usually have large windows. This is very intentional because natural light is extremely important here, especially because winters are long and daylight hours are short. The living room is often the heart of the house, a place for relaxing, spending time with family, or entertaining guests. Most Finnish homes keep this space open, uncluttered, and calm. Attached to the living room here is a small additional room. This kind of room is very flexible. It can be used as a home office, guest room, study room, or even a children's play area, depending on the family's need. And this room also has access to balcony, which is a lovely feature, especially during summer. Now let's move into the kitchen, which is one of the most interesting parts of Finnish homes. First thing you'll notice is the amount of storage. Finnish kitchens are designed to be highly efficient with plenty of cabinets so that everything has a place. One very unique feature you'll almost always see is the dish drying cupboard, which is located directly above the sink. Instead of using a dish rack on the counter, washed dishes are placed here to air dry naturally. It saves space, keeps the kitchen tidy, and is extremely practical. Another important thing to note is the gas stove, which is not common in Finland. Most homes use electric stoves or induction cooktops. Gas connections are very rare in residential buildings. You may also notice that many Finnish kitchens do not have a strong exhaust fans like some other countries. Instead, homes rely on advanced ventilation systems that circulate fresh air throughout the house. These systems are designed to work quietly and efficiently, keeping indoor air clean and balanced. Now let's move down to the lower level of the house, which in this case is also at ground level. This floor usually contains more private areas of the home. Here we have two bedrooms. Bedrooms in Finnish homes are typically minimal, calm, and designed for good sleep. The focus is on insulation, comfort, and quietness rather than heavy decoration. Finnish houses are very well insulated, which means they stay warm in winter and cool in summers. Now let's talk about something extremely important, which is heating. Finland has very cold winters, so houses are built to handle extreme temperatures. The common heating systems in Finnish homes include district heating, underfloor heating, electric heating, and heat pumps, especially air-to-water or ground source heat pumps. The underfloor heating is very popular here, especially in the bathrooms, because it provides even warmth throughout the house and feels very comfortable during winter. Thanks to good insulation and smart heating systems, Finnish homes are also energy efficient. Even though many homes don't have visible fans, ventilation is taken very seriously. Most houses have mechanical ventilation systems that ensure fresh air circulation, moisture control, and healthy indoor air quality. This is especially important in tightly insulated homes. On this level, we also have a bathroom and a sauna, which is a huge highlight. In Finland, a sauna is not considered a luxury, it's a part of everyday life. Most houses, especially semi-detached and detached homes, have a private sauna. People use the sauna to relax, unwind, and even socialize with family. It's deeply connected to Finnish culture and well-being. You'll also find a separate toilet, which is very practical, especially for families or when guests are visiting. So, this was a detailed tour of a typical semi-detached house in Finland. Practical, cozy, energy efficient, and designed for real everyday living. If you are curious about living in Finland, planning to move here, or just interested in Finnish homes and lifestyle, I hope this video gave you a clear picture. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to TravExplore Finland and follow TravExplore Finland on Instagram for more videos about homes, culture, and everyday life in Finland. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.